It's that time of year where if you're out and about, you're going to be seeing a load of cherry blossoms. Look how beautiful they are at this time of year. Amazing. What just making the camera work? Not bad, is it? Going up and down the road with one hand on the bike like a gobshite. I look like a madman, to be fair, but it was worth it. In Japanese, there's a term, Hanami, which, when I say that out loud now, it might actually be Hanami or Hanami. No, it couldn't be that. Who knows? Well, sorry, obviously the Japanese know the correct pronunciation. I'm going to continue to say Hanabi just for the purposes of this clip. Apologies if it's incorrect. That is the tradition or custom of viewing, observing, or celebrating cherry blossom flowers. Hanabi is a specific word for the celebration of cherry blossom flowers. I think that's amazing. And the Japanese have a festival, the Cherry Blossom Festival, which this year will be running for a week from the 6th of April. And it's a festival which celebrates really the start of spring. Some cultures have snowdrops or daffodils as a marker of spring, but for the Japanese, it's really the cherry blossom. And you can see it in so much of the traditional Japanese artwork. Cherry blossoms making an appearance all the time. Now, for us, we can't really wait till the 6th of April. The cherry blossom is short-lived. It's about 2 weeks, but if they come into flower and after 2 or 3 days there's a heavy rain or a heavy wind, which there could easily be at this time of year, it will wipe out a lot of the blossoms. So get out and get it while you can. They are in white and pink and lilac-y tones and colours, all different variations, and they are a member of the rose family. Now, the genus of cherry is Prunus, and almost all Prunus species are monoecious. There are some exceptions, but they're monoecious, meaning they carry the male and female reproductive parts on the one tree, which is dead handy for self-pollination. But trees in general have done so well for millennia, and one of the key characteristics is genetic variation. So to ensure genetic variation, some trees, including cherries, screen the pollen that's coming into it to make sure that it's not self-pollinating, because I suppose it's the goal of all living things to have a diverse or as big a gene pool as possible. You don't necessarily want a gene puddle, do you know that way? So as the pollen enters into the tube and it's making its way down to the ovary, the cherry screens it, and if it is of the same tree or the genetic variation is too close to that tree, it will actually dry up that tube and kill the ovary and the pollen to prevent it from self-pollinating. I just think that's amazing. So at this time of year, get out, see if you can see them and appreciate them while they are here. Have a great week. Cheers.